Lab was founded in 2000 by several students who were working in the AP Environmental Science class at the time, and a few of the teachers here, Annie Prutzman, Tim Newman, Tom Tyler, etc., were integral in the founding of the lab. And basically the idea was that this would be a habitat restoration project on campus. Up until that point, this was essentially just a trash dump on a hillside. People from the neighborhood, the school itself, from construction debris, etc., were just throwing things down the hill. And a student in an APES class, AP Environmental Science, had the idea to apply the techniques they were learning in the class to the actual campus because they had this wide open space.
So I'm Tom Tyler. I'm a former teacher here at Bishop O'Dowd High School. And shortly after I left Bishop O'Dowd High School, my kids, Seja and Maya, who are twins, they had an opportunity to go to Yellowstone on their first EPI trip, which I coerced them into going. And I remember being at the airport, waiting for them to get off the plane after they had returned after their Easter break. And I had no idea what their experience was like, but I could hear it before I could see it. I heard down the corridor where they're getting off the plane, I heard this group of kids singing. And then I realized it was our kids, arm in arm with 10 other kids, singing that wagon wheel song that they had learned on the EPI trip, and they were just elated. And to this day, in fact, 4 of them are here today. 4 of that same group of kids are here today because they bonded over that trip. None of them knew each other before the EPI trip, and then they were inseparable afterwards. So I have a debt of gratitude to EPI for introducing them to the larger world and for giving them the set of friends that they still have to this day.